Hey there and welcome. If you've ever looked at a big set of numbers and wished you had an easy way to see the spread, the highs, the lows, and those important outliers all at a glance, then box plots are your best friend. And today I'll walk you through exactly how to make a box plot on Google Sheets. Whether you're a student, a teacher, or just someone who wants to make sense of their data, by the end of this video, you'll be able to create and customize box plots to visualize your data like a pro right inside Google Sheets. No fancy software required. Let's dive in. So first things first, start out by making sure you're logged into your Gmail account. If you're already inside Gmail, look up to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a small grid made up of 9 little dots. That's Google's app launcher. Go ahead and click on those dots. Sometimes people miss this part, but that little grid is the key to unlocking all of Google's productivity tools in just one click. Now from that menu, choose Google Sheets. Once Sheets opens, you can either start a new spreadsheet or open the one where you've already got your data. For this tutorial, I'm going to assume you've already got your sample data ready. If you don't worry, just pause here, copy or type your numbers into the spreadsheet and pick up right where you left off. So your data is in the spreadsheet, great. Next, you'll need to select it. The easiest way is to click and drag with your cursor across the cells that contain your data. If you have data in a single column, just highlight that column. If it's spread across a row or a block, drag to select the entire area. It's important to get the selection right because Google Sheets will use exactly what you highlight to generate your chart. Once you've highlighted your data, look up to the menu bar at the top. Click on Insert. From the dropdown that appears, choose Chart. When you do this, Google Sheets will automatically create a chart and pop it onto your spreadsheet. Now, by default, Google Sheets usually guesses what kind of chart you want based on your data, but it often picks something like a bar chart or a column chart. That's not quite what we want, so we're going to change it. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the Chart Editor panel. If you don't, just double-click the chart and it should appear. Next, find the option that says Chart Type. This is a long list, don't be afraid to scroll. Near the bottom of the options, look for something called the candlestick chart. Now, this might sound odd, why a candlestick and not a box plot, but in Google Sheets, the candlestick chart can actually create a box plot style visualization using your data's quartiles. It's a bit of a hack, but it works because this chart type shows you the minimum, first quartile, median, third quartile, and maximum, just like a box plot would. Once you've selected candlestick chart, you'll instantly see your box plot appear on your sheet. You can adjust the chart's size, add titles, and tweak the colors to fit your style or your presentation needs. And that's it, you've just made a box plot on Google Sheets. Don't worry if it took a few tries to get here. Sometimes figuring out the chart type takes a bit of exploring. If you have any questions or want to know how to customize your chart even further, just drop a comment down below. I read every one. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple, practical tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.